So I just got a box in, and we're gonna unbox this thing, and I'll give you my first impression of a brand new fragrance that was just released for the fall and winter season. So definitely stay tuned. All right, so here's the deal. I've already unboxed this, and there's a reason. So I'm gonna show you what happened. So I got this box in the mail from a brand, and they sent this to me. And when I opened it, I noticed there was some rattling going on. So take out the paper, and we'll take out the box. So this fragrance is the brand new Spicebomb Dark Leather. Now, here's the deal. I unboxed this. Like I said, this was sent to me. But here's the thing. I opened it, and can you hear that? That's how this box was presented in the box. And that's not a good sign. So I'm gonna open it up. Now, I did open it up, and unfortunately, the cap was off, and as well as the clip that goes into it was disconnected. So I had a bottle with just the white underneath the atomizer, whatever that's called, exposed with the cap and the clip in it. But luckily I was able to put them back on, and they seem fine. So let's take a look at the bottle. So this is the bottle of the new Spicebomb Dark Leather. And this is supposed to be, from what I heard, a combination of Spicebomb Extreme mixed with a dark leather accord, similar to what you would get with a Tom Ford ombre leather. That's what I've heard from other reviews that I've seen of this fragrance, but we're gonna find out today. So the bottle's kind of nice. It's got this really black, it's got this black motif going on with the grenade sort of look to it. It's still got the kind of leatherish strip here in the middle. It's a really nice presentation. I just wish they would have packaged it better, because for some reason, even if you look at the way it's packaged, this part that's supposed to hold in the bottle doesn't quite hold in the bottle, so it's loose in the box. That's something I hope. I'm wondering if this is like a promo packaging, and maybe they'll fix the packaging when they send out the final product. I don't know, but we'll see. Anyway, if you guys are watching, Viktor and Rolf, that's something that might need to be looked at. Anyway, so I'm gonna compare this to my Spicebomb Extreme bottle that I have right here. And so this is Spicebomb Extreme, and then you've got the new Spicebomb Black Leather. So you can see this has a black and gold motif. This is full black, but that's the comparison of the two. And then of course you've got the clip that comes off, and we're gonna go ahead and spray this bottle and get a first impression. Okay. I really like it. So it's definitely spicy. It's got that Spicebomb. It's got that Spicebomb DNA in it, but it's missing the vanilla. Hold on. I'm gonna do a comparison, because I have the bottle right here. So this is Spicebomb Extreme, and this is Dark Leather. Yeah, so the Spicebomb Extreme has a sweet vanilla note to it, where Dark Leather has no vanilla sweetness at all in it. It's like Spicebomb Extreme, maybe even the original Spicebomb, because this is definitely coming off stronger and more potent, more spicy. This is coming off more kind of subdued, but also very dark, very leathery. I'm picking up the leather note, not as realistic as Tom Ford ombre leather. It's not as realistic, but it's definitely there, it's present. But it's more blended with the Spicebomb DNA. Yeah, these two fragrances are not really related too much. This is a very different take on the Spicebomb DNA, I will say that. One thing I'm noticing is this is already starting to fade. I don't know if it has an ingredient in it that might be making me anosmic to it, but it's fading really fast. Let me see. So on the Spicebomb Extreme side, I'm still picking up vanilla, I'm still picking up sweetness, I'm still picking up spiciness on this side. The spiciness is there. Now the leather is really coming up in the forefront. So I think as this dries down, I think it's going to become more of a soft leathery fragrance. I think there's a reason this isn't called Extreme. I think maybe in the future they might come out with an extreme version of this fragrance, but I understand where they're going with it. I definitely think it could be improved upon. I don't think it's quite where it should be yet, but it's a great introduction to what could be of this fragrance. But it's a really nice fragrance. If you're looking for something sort of in between an ombre leather and a Spicebomb, that's kind of what this is. It's like an in-between between the darkness of a Spicebomb, but also subdued. When you get into the ombre leather, you're getting more of a heavier, denser leather fragrance. This seems to be in the middle, but I really do like it. I think it would be a great, where would I see this? I don't know if this would really go well with like a biker or something like that. I don't know where this fits. I mean, it's definitely a good fall fragrance. If you're looking to just, you know, wear a leather, slightly toned down fragrance, you know, this could be something for, you know, if you want to go camping and you're out in the wilderness, or you're at a fire pit and enjoying that kind of thing. Or, you know, it could be a work fragrance, something you wear to work, because it is more subdued. I don't know about the office, but like if you're, you know, work in a restaurant or in another type of environment that isn't more you know, dressed up, I think this could work. It could work as a dressed up fragrance. I don't know, maybe. But it's definitely something that, you know, in the cooler weather, you could wear as a nice balanced fragrance that's not going to be in people's face. That being said, I really enjoy this fragrance. I really am excited to see where they're going to go with this DNA. I think it has the potential to reach even better heights if it was amped up a bit. Like I said, if they came out with an extreme version, I think this would be probably in one of their top tier fragrances. So like I said, this seems like an introduction to a DNA that's gonna morph into something even cooler in the future. Anyway, that's my opinion on it. I don't know what else to say about this. I really enjoy it. But I feel like I said, it seems like it's the start to something that will become something even better. If that makes sense. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you, Viktor and Rolf, for sending me this fragrance. I definitely appreciate you sending it to me. I think this is going to make a great impact in the industry, and I think it has a lot of room to become something great. I think a lot of people are going to love it. So if you guys are interested in checking it out, definitely go to Viktor and Rolf's website and check this fragrance out. I don't think it's going to be at discounters yet because it is so new, but yeah, definitely check it out. And I appreciate you all for watching this video. Definitely check out my website here if you're interested. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and as always, have a fragrant state of mind.